Hi. Hello, I'm Yann Windey. Actually, I'm based in Belgium. I live in Ghent. I'm a lighting and stage designer for most of the time the music industry. I work also a lot in the comedy scene and also in theater. Um, I make beautiful stage looks and design stage looks. But I also go on tour with a lot of bands and some other clients. Well, this is my MA XT. We are now a married couple for 4.5 years. Actually, it's the perfect fit. Why? Because I use it in so much different areas for previous programming, so I can easily put it on my desk. It fits like a small room. It fits a tour bus, a trailer, but also my car. So it's like the perfect solution for me. Not too heavy. I can just carry it by myself. Voilà, c'est ça. Pretty much everything. I go to theaters, small club shows, but also arena shows. The desk is going on tour, so pretty much everywhere actually. Of course, we have this beautiful setup here. I use a keyboard stand to put my flight case with my magic arm on. It's easy. I never need to ask a festival to bring a flight case or something else. And this beautiful laptop stand, it's so easy if I want to do some last minute previs or if I carry some video equipment with me. It's like I build my own bubble, you know? Oh, wow. We did already a lot together, but specific at the end of last year, we did like the end of the tour shows with Brutus in the AB or AB in Brussels. We did like 3 or 4 times the AB, was like amazing. All the small parts came together to like a perfect show, was amazing. Also the White House shows. If we do a headline show with White House, it's also like it brings like a special feeling to me. And at the end of the year, I have always like a term of doing arena shows in Belgium. That's most of the time fun and stressy at the same time, but it's always good to look back to this time of the year.